Alright, so I will go over a couple problems that may look like your homework problems for tonight. So if you see a problem like this is a basic one-step equation. So the only thing you will do is you will add 2 over 3 to both sides. And this will cancel out because negative 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 is 0. So you're left with a on this side. And the only thing you have to do is add this 1/2. 1/2 plus 2/3 will give you 7 over 6. Okay. It is a calculator that's online that will give you fraction and not decimals at home. And it's called Desmos. So DESMOS.com. So Desmos.com is a calculator where you can use fractions as well, so you won't have to give decimals for homework. Okay, so moving on to the next one. Alright, so here's another problem. This is one of those problems that I was telling you, when you see the variable in the numerator, that means that you will multiply by the least common denominator. The least common denominator in this one will be 10. So whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other one. And you're going to multiply this 10 throughout each one of these numerators. So this is going to become 10k over 5 plus 30k over 10 equals 30 over 2. Okay, just gonna make this look a little more clear. Alright, so now in this case you're going to simplify this. So 10 divided by 5 is 2, which is 2k, plus 30 divided by 10 is 3, and you bring down your k, equals 30 divided by 2, which is 15. Okay, so in this case you're going to combine like terms, and this will give you 5k equals 15. So now you have to divide 5 by both sides, and k will be 3. Okay. Alright, so here is another problem. In this case right here, if you look at this problem, it reminds you of something very simple, like 3x plus 2 equals 5. That means that you would do a two-step equation, which you would subtract 2 from both sides. So we're going to go back to our original equation. So in this case, you're going to subtract 3 from both sides. That means this 3 will cancel out, and it will leave you with 1 over 6. X equals a negative 7 over 4. So now this is back to a one-step equation where I will divide 1 over 6 by both sides. And x will give you negative 21 over 2. Alright, and for the last problem, you're going to combine your like terms, which is this one and this one. And once you combine those, that's going to become 11 over 8x. Then you're going to bring down your negative 8 equals 3. Now, this becomes what? A two-step equation again. You're going to add 8 to both sides, and this is going to cancel out. It's going to leave you with 11 over 8. X equals 11. And so what you do here, this becomes a one-step equation. You divide both sides by 11 over 8. And your answer will be 8.